John, what do we have? What are our charges?
Get a stop! Stop! Get on the ground right now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! On the ground! On the ground!
What happened, officer?
Turn over!
A routine call at one of the busiest airports in the United States rapidly tests Fourth Amendment boundaries, use of force law, and custodial interrogation procedure. What looks straightforward on camera carries serious legal weight beneath the surface.
Huh? Where?
On this level still? Level 2?
Where's he at?
You went down?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah, what's that? What's he trying to do?
Was offering money to get a car and did the same thing with Avis.
Huh. How much for a car?
$50.
Yeah, huh, okay. I'll give you $50.
Black jacket or no?
Black jacket, blue jeans,
Okay.
which way?
That went down?
293, we're gonna be on level, or R1, adjacent to, I think it's Hertz.
My man! Come here. Talking to you.
No, it's gonna be Alamo. Towards the QTC.
10-4.
Just offer me $100 to open the gate.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, he's doing that to a bunch of guys. And he's running westbound through the garage.
Yeah, 295. He may be trying to signal 10, a vehicle, or possibly 10 Charlie. Which way do you go? Got another unit we can give us a hand over here?
Anyone in a vehicle, if you get the B exit, B garage exit. I mean, Hispanic male, about 5'7", 5'8", black jacket, blue jeans, white sneakers, low haircut.
Yeah, medium length hair with facial hair.
John, what do we have? What are our charges?
Get a stop! Stop! Get on the ground right now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
What happened
Get on the
wrong,
ground!
sir?
On the ground! On the ground!
What happened wrong, sir?
Turn over!
What
Turn
happened
over!
wrong,
Do it
sir?
now!
Sir,
Yeah, you may have
what is wrong?
Hey, call 911. I can't transmit.
I'm trying to copy you. What
You're gonna roll over and put you in handcuffs. You understand?
I didn't do nothing though.
Okay. Call 911. I can't transmit. Thank you.
R1, running on foot towards the exit. Hispanic male, 5'7", 5'8", black jacket, jeans, white sneakers.
You're gonna roll over, okay? And you're gonna comply,
Anybody gotten with the
or
call?
you're gonna get hurt. Do you understand
I
me?
ain't doing nothing though.
We'll figure this out. Why'd you take off running from me?
Yeah,
I ain't taking on nobody.
Okay.
with her.
I ain't even seen y'all.
Okay, have we figured out if we have any charges, or did he just take off
Hey.
running? Because I'm not going to go chase somebody around the parking garage if we don't have anything.
Hey, it's Officer
we
Hilliker.
have
I
the
don't
charge.
have transmission. I got 1012 with the suspect.
Milling about
Level
after the gate,
1,
and it's just to let
B
him out
side
with a
by
vehicle.
mirrors, just inside the doorways. I'm hands on. He's not compliant. Roll over.
All right, well, look, that's what I did wrong.
Okay, you understand me? Don't do anything stupid, or
I'm
you're
not.
gonna get hurt.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay, we'll figure everything out. Okay. Roll over.
Hey guys, we'll get with the claim again just in case.
Put your other hand behind your back.
I got you. I'm not doctor.
We've been asking gate attendees and employees to give them access to a gate to leave with a car. Not sure if it's 1012 with somebody in here.
Stay right there, dude. Do not move.
GoCom unit signal 44, level 1, Bravo, side by mirrors, reference to subject fighting with officer.
I don't need a 44 now. He's in cuffs. I just need units over here now.
I don't give you the check. Search my pocket. I never committed no crime, sir.
Okay.
Alright, I got you.
Never committed no crime, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Search my pockets for it, sir.
All right. Just let people know that are coming. I can't transmit. I got him in cuffs right now.
GoCom to all units responding, level 1, Bravo, side. Tango 225 on scene with subject 1015.
Got it?
Yeah, I can transmit my radio.
Okay. Headquarters, we're 1012.
My body camera.
Cancel at 44.
Dude, my body camera won't turn on. It's a mess.
Copy, canceling 44.
This is him, right?
Yeah, that's him.
Yeah, he took off running for me too. Roll over just a little bit.
I don't do shit.
Where's your ID? You got any ID?
Go Control Unit, canceling signal 44.
You give consent to be searched, and I don't know what put no for, sir.
Shut up.
That's crazy, sir.
You on paper for anything?
Sir, I will not be identifying myself, sir.
Are you on paper for anything?
Sir, I never even did nothing. Come on, my lawyer.
Okay. We'll get him for you, okay?
It's crazy. I had more money than that.
295.
Yeah, you're sitting on the rest of it.
My number?
No, I had more hundreds than that.
Okay. Hey, don't worry about it. Everything's on camera for you.
Now
I
it's
didn't
on
search
camera.
it, so right here.
But your camera was off the whole time.
No, it wasn't. It actually was
Send it to
wrong.
your supervisor.
My supervisor.
This man right here. This is the
Yeah.
backup.
Don't worry about it.
Why are you running then? Why are you asking people to give them money to get a car
I never
out?
asked that.
Huh?
I never asked that, sir.
Oh, you're on camera? It's you?
Sir, I never asked that.
You are? Oh, you're not? So did somebody else in the camera ask you for that?
No, sir. I never said. I never.
Okay. You picked the wrong place, wrong time to be out here.
So he was coming across the street right here. And I just jumped out and he took off running in here and then he stopped once I told him. Okay. So.
You don't think you dumped anything in the trash can?
No. No, I did not that I saw. So.
I'll go take a quick look.
Okay.
I'm just waiting on
This is still on, but I had to call 911 because I couldn't transmit down there.
Okay. That's why I
So-
needed to know. It's one of the reasons I couldn't.
And then she goes, I go, hey, he is struck because he had to get taken down, and I go, I just got him like spread out and everything else, and he's still non-compliant because he's still tensing up. And
You have a car coming for him?
I don't think that's got a cage in it though.
Bravo 45.
I don't know if he threw anything.
Correction 47.
We're just gonna walk back.
I apologize, I cut you off.
He was talk to March. He was
Level
up there
1 Bravo
talking.
side at space Bravo 47.
Use of force or no?
I don't think so. He didn't say he
They
did.
ran here, stopped, and they took him. You have to get with Dana.
He said to get with you guys.
No, we just followed him all the way here. They pointed him out to us. Tried to get 1012, and he just walked, ran. He tried to run in here.
Well, I don't know what transpired to make it to this point with Dana.
I don't care if we get 10 calls holding. I don't care right now. Because this is a lot of these calls are, we need to figure out what we got here first.
I'm still on, but
So am I.
to give you the rundown.
Yeah, what do we have? I don't even know
So
what's going
they're
on.
calling out like possible signal 10. That's how the call came out.
Who is?
The call came out as a possible
Go in
signal
the
10.
shade.
From what I remember from the call, he went up to the checkout people at Avis that run the booth and was offering $300 to take a car. So they called it in, and then he went back.
Was he in a car?
That I don't know, but they said the call came out. He was trying to signal 10 cars. They get up there, they find the guy, he takes off running.
Okay, so
And
we have
then
at least suspicions.
then they called out. He might be trying to signal 10 or 10 Charlie a car. They called that out.
Okay, so we have enough.
Yes. Oh yeah.
Okay.
And then
Because
so
I didn't like
seen
when
him-
I asked what we had and we have nothing in there.
So I see him right in the middle of the road as I'm coming up. He's crossing the road. So I jump out on him. He takes off running, like just that short distance inside the door. And then he stopped and turned around, and I grabbed him by the hands, and he's tensing on. I'm like, get on the ground, get on the ground, get on the ground. He don't get on the ground. I just leg sweep him to the ground.
So we don't have a use of force or anything?
No. And then I couldn't transmit in there. My radio's gone.
Of course not. This radio, that doesn't work down here.
I'm telling
270 go. We need someone to get a page car down here, please. Hey, one of you guys go get a car, please.
Englehart's coming. Engelhart said he was coming 51.
No, he's not.
He's not?
I had to cancel him. Do we have the initial caller here?
Yeah. So Avis manager over there, sir.
Is that the guy?
Yes, sir.
So we got another one?
Yeah, it's the same thing at the
The other guy was trying to get the car. He was trying to get the gate open.
That makes sense. Why don't you go and try and find that guy,
Okay.
and we'll handle him.
So the one girl at the gate says, like we see him talking to her. So he sees us, he starts walking towards like that part of the garage. So she runs out and says, hey.
Put your feet up, both of them.
He just tried to offer me like $300 or something like that to open the gates for him. And so we were probably about 100 yards distance, so I go up to him and I want to talk to you. So he like looks over, we're just walking. As soon as we get into the garage, he starts taking. That's when we called it out, saying like, because we didn't know if he.
Do we have release resisting on this guy, or what are our charges on this guy?
Don't stop. Being with police. It's simple.
It's enough.
Then whatever
suspicion of the signal pin stuff.
Yeah. But you know I know what the deal is. So.
No, I get it.
Yeah.
We may have his partner in the C terminal.
Hey, we have one subject in custody, possible group out here trying to signal 10 cars. Do you want to talk to this guy? See if he'll talk.
Stand up.
Make sure we count this money before we take him out of here.
Yep. Your $2 bill, 800.
$1,800. $1,822.
How'd I get 200 short?
I don't know. You ask me. I have no idea why. So are you saying one of my officers stole your money? Is that what you're saying?
Like I said, I had 2,000.
Are you saying that or no?
Before.
Okay, so you're not saying it. Okay.
Yes,
good.
I ain't saying that.
No,
sir.
you're not. Because you were willing to give money to the lady out there.
I wasn't willing to give money to nobody.
Maybe you gave money to him anyway.
You know you're under arrest, right?
No, sir, I don't.
Okay, you are under arrest. Absolutely 100% under arrest. Let's see.
I'm gonna have to see what that right there.
Get in the car.
Wait till we get all the way to the interview room.
I'm wondering what's the best.
At this point, it doesn't matter. Just take them. Put your feet in there.
Stole 25 cents from me or something.
High caliber injury.
Right there.
So before I ask you any questions, Jose, my name is Detective Tom Ross with the Orlando Police Department. Why did you come here today? What brought you from Windermere to the Orlando International Airport today?
I don't recall coming from Windermere.
Okay, where did you come from?
But what brought me to the airport?
Yeah.
Fresh air. Maybe I like the way planes smell.
Okay, but you weren't flying out?
I like the way planes smell. Fresh air, sir.
Okay, but you weren't flying out at all today?
I have not purchased my flight ticket.
Do you know anybody here at the airport that works here?
I have no relation to the airport, sir. Or no relationships. The airport.
Nothing? Nobody?
Sir.
No employees? No friends that work here?
I have no relationships with the airport, sir.
Did you approach one of the employees?
When I was in the parking garage,
Yes.
I don't recall. But if I did, I just seen they wanted anything.
Did you get in any car today?
No, I have
That does
not.
not belong to you.
I have not, sir.
Do you have any keys to any of the cars here?
If I have any keys in these cars here,
Any of the rental cars?
any of the other rental cars, when you think get off of me,
I'm asking you. I don't know.
Sir,
I don't
they never got off
know
of me,
you.
so no.
Okay. Again, I don't know you. You don't know me. So I'm just asking you questions. Okay. I don't know the answers to these questions. That's why I'm asking you. Okay. Were you with anybody today?
I was getting fresh air by myself.
Okay, so I'm told that you approached an employee, offered them money to take a car out.
No, I have not, sir.
Okay. The reason that I'm here today on my day off is I'm told that you spoke to an employee, asked them that if you gave them money that you'd take a car. If you took a car in here, what were we going to do with the car?
Like I said, I have no keys on me. They asked me, I have the keys? I said, no. Do I have the keys to a rental car related to a rental car? I said, no. They asked me, have I ever touched a car? I said, no. That's what happened. No.
Well, I'm here to give you the opportunity to tell me why you were here today,
I told you.
other than getting fresh air.
That's just, I'm told you.
Okay.
I'm
going to end the interview.
What's wrong with fresh air?
Okay.
Reasonable suspicion, Terry V. Ohio, 392 US. 1,968. Officers do not need probable cause to initiate an investigatory stop. They need reasonable suspicion, defined as a specific and articulable basis to believe criminal activity may be occurring. A corroborated eyewitness account of the suspect offering cash for a rental vehicle satisfies that threshold. Flight as legal factor, Illinois v. Wardlow, 528 US. 119. 2000. Unprovoked flight from law enforcement in an area of criminal activity is itself a contributing factor to reasonable suspicion. The moment the suspect ran, legal calculus shifted significantly in the officer's favor. Probable cause, Fourth Amendment. Arrest without a warrant requires probable cause. Here it was established by three converging elements: a corroborated eyewitness account, the suspect's flight upon officer approach, and his confirmed presence at the exact location described by the witness. Under Florida v. Bostic, 501 U.S. 429, 1,991. Seizure occurs when a reasonable person would no longer feel free to leave. Use of force standard, Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1,989. The Supreme Court established that force must be evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with the benefit of hindsight. Three factors govern that evaluation: the severity of the crime at issue, whether the suspect poses an immediate threat to safety, and whether the suspect is actively resisting or attempting to evade arrest by flight. All three were present here. Use of force documentation, critical legal issue. A leg sweep is classified as hard, empty hand control under the use of force continuum. It is, by definition, a use of force. When an officer verbally describes such an action as no use of force, it creates a direct factual discrepancy between their account and the physical evidence. Defense counsel routinely uses this inconsistency to challenge officer credibility at trial and to contest the accuracy of the incident report. Custodial interrogation, Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436, 1,966. Before any custodial interrogation, a suspect must be advised of the right to remain silent, that any statement may be used against them in court, and of the right to retained or appointed counsel. Custody is not defined by formal arrest. It applies whenever a reasonable person would not feel free to terminate the encounter. A handcuffed suspect seated in a locked patrol vehicle is unambiguously in custody. Interrogation without a prior Miranda advisement renders resulting statements subject to suppression. Charged Florida statutes. Florida Statute 812. 14 subsection 2 defines grand theft of a motor vehicle as a third-degree felony when the vehicle value exceeds $750. Florida Statute 777.4 extends criminal liability to criminal attempts. Florida Statute 843.2 covers resisting an officer without violence, a second-degree misdemeanor, charged separately from the underlying felony. All three statutes apply here independently. Lessons learned. First, post-incident verbal accounts must be factually consistent with physical evidence. Any discrepancy, even in casual conversation, becomes admissible at trial. Second, Miranda advisements must be administered and documented before questioning begins. Assumptions are not a substitute for procedure. Third, infrastructure failures, including radio dead zones and non-functional body cameras, directly compromise the evidentiary integrity of any resulting prosecution. If the Miranda advisement was never given, can the detective interview be used at trial? If the use of force was verbally misreported, what does that mean for the official record? And what happened to the second suspect reported operating in the adjacent terminal? The answers to these questions determine whether this case holds in court.